Doorbell angle mount. In the package you will find instruction and one double angle mount. Comes with all the accessories needed for the video doorbell corner mount installation, including a detailed and easy to understand manual, screwdriver, screws, and various specifications of sponge pad for securing the doorbell. The anti-theft double mount is highly compatible and can be used with video doorbell 1, 2, 3, 3 plus, 4, Wide 2020, 2021 release, Pro, Pro 2 and Video Doorbell 2021. The Cotin's wide-angle video intercom stand can be adjusted between 45 degrees and 135 degrees. With full protective shell and an anti-theft skew design, ensuring your doorbell camera is not stolen and protecting your property. Made of high-quality ABS material and comes with a rain cover to resist rain.